Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a unicorn wreath. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I started off by using this wreath. It's made out of hay, but you guys can find some also made out of foam and a few other materials. This one was 15 inches and I will be covering it with light pink ribbon in 1.5 inches. The reason why I'm covering the hay portion is because I will be using tulle, and since the tulle is very light, I don't want the hay to be seen once I start wrapping the tulle around. So as you guys can see, this is what it should look like once it's done and you're ready to move on to your next step. So now I have the pink, purple, and the teal all cut out, and it's ready to start wrapping around the wreath. So you will need to grab 2 pieces of tulle, then find the midway point, and then pretty much just wrap around your wreath and make sure the 2 tails are on the exterior portion of your wreath, and just make 2 little knots. So do 2 sections of each color, that way you can see the color contrasting once your wreath is fully done, and just continue to do this until you finish the circle. This is what your wreath should look like once you have completely tied all your tulle around it. So next, I will be making the ears out of this glittery foam. So I will start off by making the pattern with just a regular piece of paper. You can cut the desired shape of your ears. You can make them pointy, rounded, whatever shape you want to give your unicorn ears. When tracing your ears, keep in mind the size of your wreath, because you don't want to end up with big ears for a small wreath or vice versa. The next thing you will need to make is this unicorn horn. You guys can see how I made this in the unicorn dreamcatcher video. This one is 9 inches and the ears turned out to be 3 inches by 4 inches. Next, you can use any felt or foamy glitter to make your flowers. So when making this flower, just remember that the bigger the circle you cut out, the bigger your flower is going to be. You don't have to make the cuttings too perfect because, as you know, flowers aren't perfect. So you're going to have different lengths and petals. So just wrap around the tip, add a little bit of hot glue, and then continue to wrap around until forming your flower. So once you have the flowers you want to add, then continue to place them on your wreath. Just remember to keep in mind to put the bigger flowers in the center and the smaller ones towards the edge. I also used flowers that were made out of fabric that were purchased. A lot of my flowers I get from Amazon or eBay. So I'll try to leave a link down below if you're interested in some of these flowers. Also, Hobby Lobby has a great selection in these. I purchased some from Joann and a few from Michael's as well. So when adding your flowers, there's no right or wrong way to add them, just as long as you like the way they're organized or placed. So this is how my unicorn wreath turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I really liked it personally, but if there's some way I can improve, let me know in the comment section. Or if there's another wreath that you'd like me to make, let me know. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you guys do, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.